I have a feeling I'm really gonna regret this and it's gonna take way too long to clean up, but 1,000 subscribers, here it goes. I'm gonna be cleaning this glitter up for months. I know that was goofy, guys, but I really do appreciate you guys helping me get to 1,000 subs. I'm really excited that we've hit this milestone, but I'm more so excited about what the future holds. Since this is a milestone video, I thought I'd go ahead and do a quick little tutorial for you guys on how I do 3D text using Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright guys, let's jump into this tutorial. So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab our text tool, just T on the keyboard, and we're going to drag out some text. Type out whatever you want to type. It doesn't matter. This is totally yours. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type thank you for 1,000 subs because I really do thank you guys for 1,000 subs. And as you see, I have 2 lines of text. You can do 1 line, you can do 3, 4, it doesn't matter, but you will do the steps multiple times for however many layers of text you're going to have for your design. So what I'm going to do next after I got my text how I want it, I'm going to grab my shear tool and I'm just going to shear it a little bit. That's a nice aesthetic. It's going to give it a nice angle. You don't have to do that. I just think it helps the 3D effect a little bit. Once I got it like I like it, I'm going to expand the text because we don't want to be working with live text. We want to be working with shapes, and we're going to duplicate the layer. So I just like to do Option or Alt drag. You can also copy and paste it. It's up to you. And I'm going to change the color of it, add a stroke. And we're rocking and rolling. We're gonna go to Object, Blend, Make, and it's gonna make a path in between. But what we want to do is we want to go to Blend Options on the right hand side. We're gonna do Specified Steps, and we're gonna take it up to 100. This is gonna give us 100 different layers in between, and it's gonna give us that 3D effect that we're going for. So now for the next layer, we're just gonna do the exact same thing. So I'll talk you guys through it one more time just so it kind of hammers the idea home. But we're going to duplicate it. We're going to go to Object, Blend, Make, Blend Options on the right hand side, Specified Steps, and we're going to do 100. You can do more than 100, but it really takes some processing power away the more layers you do. So 100 usually seems to be fine. And I'm going to scale it up, and that's pretty much all it is, guys. Well guys, here's the final design. I really enjoy this trick. I like how quick and easy it is to get good 3D looking text out of Adobe Illustrator. There's obviously other ways to do it, but I think this is a really fun, quick, and effective way to do it. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. If you make some 3D text, feel free to share it with me on Instagram, Twitter, Discord. Let me see it. Guys, that's all I got for you today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. And if you want to see content like this in the future, make sure you're subscribed. If you guys want to see more content like this now, you can just go back to my older videos. I have a ton of illustrations, logo designs, rebrands. Check it out. If you want to get a hold of me, I'll have my Discord link below. It's a great place for us to chat and just talk design. Guys, again, I really do appreciate 1,000 subs. It means so much to me, and I'm so excited to see where we go from here. Until the next time, peace.